Hey guys, so just wanted to invite you along on our little journey today. We're going over to Deep River Park to do some exploring, do some nature walk, and kind of a little mini field trip. Seeing how the kids are out of school now with the coronavirus, they shut down the schools and everything, and you're aware of that. But so, hey guys, are you excited to be going on our field trip? Yeah? Are we gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So who's ready to go to Deep River Park?
Me.
Awesome. Hey guys,
Hi.
here we are once again. Today we're over at Deep River Park. And yes, we're on Deep. We decided to come to the park, seeing how the coronavirus has kicked our kids out of school. Yay! So we're having a field trip day to learn a little bit about nature and explore and just take time to visit a place we've never been.
Okay. What did you find? Don't touch it. Okay.
Guys, okay guys, hey, so I've got to tell you, you know, with the situation of the coronavirus and everybody quarantined in many different parts of the world, different places, especially if you're in the big city, there's a good thing about being in a rural area. So we live close to quite a few stores. But, you know, we're not far away from countryside here, and it's peaceful and it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. Look at my kids, not a care in the world. Not a care in the world. So where I'm at, do you think I'm concerned about the coronavirus right now? Not at all. Because we're just enjoying nature. Just a little piece of God's creation. Okay guys, so we made it back from Deep River, picking up Mom, going to the store, picking up some pizza, all that good stuff. So it's time to end the vlog, and we'll see you next time on our Filipino-American journey.
So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. Bye.
Bye.